Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to take control of your financial future and start earning real money online? If so, then pay close attention. Because in this video, we're going to reveal the secrets of making money on Udemy. Udemy is an online learning and teaching marketplace where people can take courses on almost any topic on their own time. Udemy currently has over 213,000 online video courses on topics such as programming, sales, marketing, fitness, music, and a lot more. Udemy also currently has 57 million students learning on the website, and that number is continuing to grow. That means that more and more courses are being created for the more and more people that are signing up for Udemy. It's allowing thousands of people just like you to make a full-time income on Udemy. But that also means you are going to have some competition when it comes to promoting your course on Udemy. Now, in order to make money off of your Udemy course, obviously people have to choose your course and pay for it. But how do you get people to choose your course out of the thousands of video courses already on the website? And how do you keep them engaged with your course? I'm going to be showing you how to get people to choose your Udemy course and keep taking it so you can make passive income and feel good about having that extra money in the bank. Keep watching to see my 5 tips on how to make money on Udemy. 1. Do your research. What are students saying they wish current courses had? The very first step in creating a Udemy course is finding a topic you have a good amount of knowledge in and feel like you can teach to others. For example, if you have a good amount of experience playing soccer, say maybe a few years, then if you feel qualified enough to teach a course on how to get good at playing soccer, then you can start on that topic. The next thing you'll want to do is look up other courses for the topic you are going to teach. Look through the comments and reviews of those courses and see what students are saying about them. Pay close attention to the things students are saying they don't like about the course. Is it not engaging enough? Is it too long or too short? Is it too expensive? Does the instructor not provide enough detailed information or tips? Look at what students are wishing they could have from these courses and make note of what you can include in your course. Make your course unique. Pay attention to how current courses on playing soccer look. Look at the title, the thumbnail, the time length, and how the instructors dress and present themselves. Pay attention to the setting of the course and how the videos are edited and filmed. Make sure you create a course that is unique to your personality and teaching style. Don't try and copy another instructor's video or teaching style. Students are not going to take your course if it copies several other courses on that same topic. Make sure your course is unique to you. What kind of course are you planning on creating on Udemy? Let me know in the comments. 2. Learn your consumers' reasons for taking the course. This goes along with doing your research, but it also plays into how you will structure your course so that you can connect with your audience. For example, if your course is about how to get good at playing soccer, figure out why people are wanting to get good at playing soccer. When creating and selling a product, you want to be able to make connections with your audience and target their pain points. Figuring out what issues people are having and creating a way to solve those issues will get them interested in buying your product. This is Marketing 101. So why are people wanting to learn about playing soccer? Do a quick Google search, read reviews on current Udemy courses, and ask your friends and people around you. Do they want to get good at soccer because they want to make the high school soccer team or the college soccer team, or so they can play with their friends or family members or kids? Do they want to become a soccer coach someday? Using that information can help you create a title and structure for your course. If your consumers are wanting to make the college soccer team, make the title of your course How to Make Your College Soccer Team. Create sections in your course titled What College Soccer Coaches Look For and How Scoring Works in College Soccer. Then you can go into how to get good at playing soccer, moves to learn, how much you need to practice, etc. Make sure your course targets specific pain points for your audience. 3. Start by making your course free, then you can charge. I know, you are probably like, whoa, I came to this video to learn how to make money on Udemy. What the heck? I get it. Don't worry, we will get there in a second. When you are first starting out making courses on Udemy, you need to build up a following. You must create a community of loyal students that are wanting to learn how to perfect the topic that you are teaching. And a good way to do that is to start by making your course free for a while. When you do that, you can build your community up and start building your social profile on Udemy. Think about when you go to buy a product or service. You want to buy something that is well-liked and has a lot of positive reviews and has been purchased by a decent amount of people. That is how you know that the product is good and will probably work for you if it's worked for these other people. The same goes for your Udemy course. Once you build and publish your course, start by making it easily accessible to everyone for the first few months. That way, you can gain traffic and see how people are liking your course. If you are getting positive feedback and have a devout of students, say 100 or so, then you can switch your course to a paid course. 4. Learn about Udemy's revenue channels. Picking your price. First off, I want to alert you guys. Udemy will only let you switch your course from free to paid once. Make sure that you have enough of a following and positive feedback before you switch your course. Also, when picking a price for your course, start with a modest price. If this is your first course, you should not be charging $100 right off the bat. Make sure your first paid course is affordable. Then once you've been on the platform for a while and have more courses, you can consider charging more. Now, let's talk about the 4 different revenue channels that Udemy has when you make money from your course. Your promotions. The first revenue channel on Udemy is called Your Promotions. This is where you earn money from promoting your Udemy course yourself. With Your Promotions, Udemy provides you with your own link to your course. If a student purchases your course with that link, you get 97% of the money the student spent on your course. This is the best way to earn money from your course, so this should be your go-to option when promoting your course. Let me know in the comments what creative ways you would promote your course. Udemy Organic. The next revenue channel on Udemy is called Udemy Organic. This is when you earn money from your course from a student browsing Udemy and stumbling upon your course and paying for it. If a student finds your course this way, you will get 25% of what they paid for the course. Udemy Ad Program. Now, if Udemy itself sends ads to a student promoting your course and they purchase it through the ad, you get money from the third Udemy channel called Udemy Ad Program. This is when, as I said, Udemy sends targeted ads to a student, whether that be a student who has taken a course on the same or similar topic as yours, or who looked at your course but didn't purchase it. These ads can come in the form of email campaigns, reminders, promotions, and more. If the student purchases your course through the Udemy ad, you will, again, get 25% of what they spend on the course. Udemy Affiliates. The final channel that revenue through Udemy comes from is Udemy Affiliates. This is when someone else is promoting your course, such as another content creator. If a student buys your course through the affiliate, you get 25% of the money they spent, and then the other 75% is divided between Udemy and the person promoting your course. 5. Stay active on Udemy. Now that you know how to create a unique course and how you will be earning money, and you have assumably created and posted your course, just remember that if you want to make money with Udemy long-term and start growing your community and your earnings, you need to stay active and keep posting more content. If you aren't staying active on Udemy, you are not going to make a lot of money. In retrospect, you are not going to make a lot of money starting out with your first few courses, but there are people who make up to 6 figures with their courses on Udemy because they are active and have a lot of experience with the platform. Starting out is probably the hardest part. You put a lot of effort into making your course, and you don't make that much money right off the bat. But if you keep making more courses, learning the dynamics of Udemy, and building your community, you can get to a point where you are making good money on the platform. You just have to keep trying and keep putting in the same effort you did in your first course. So you can see, making money on Udemy is definitely possible. It just requires a bit of strategy and effort. Remember the 5 tips we discussed in this video. 1. Do your research and understand the market you're entering. 2. Learn your consumers' reasons for taking the course and tailor your content to meet their needs. 3. Start by making your course free and then charge for it. 4. Learn about Udemy's revenue channels and how to best utilize them. And 5. Stay active on Udemy by promoting your course, answering questions, and staying engaged with your students. If you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to success on Udemy. Remember to like the video if you found the content valuable and subscribe to our channel for more ways to earn money from anywhere. Thank you for watching.